Welcome to PSAS. Today's lesson 1 for the academic year 2020-2021 for grade 12. Welcome seniors. Today's lesson, we start with William Shakespeare's epic, which is King Lear. A briefing about William Shakespeare. He was born on 26th of April 1564, centuries ago, and he died on the 23rd of April 116. Was an English playwright, poet, and an actor widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He's a legendary. He has lived through centuries and his work is still legend till today. It's taught around the world, and I'm sure you have learned about him before, maybe last year with me, maybe in previous years. So this year, King Lear is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare. It tells the tale of a king who bequeaths his power and land to two of his three daughters after they declare their love for him in a fawning and obsequious manner. His third daughter gets nothing because she will not flatter him as her sisters had done. To summarize this idea, King Lear asks his three daughters to show their love and gratitude for him, and his third daughter refuses to do this. Her point of view, as you will get to learn later, that she doesn't have to show her love for him when he asks for it, and she doesn't have to show the love in the way he wants it, because she has her own way. But the other elder daughters, they decided to follow what the father wants and showed their love, which is not as true as the youngest daughter, but they wanted to do this in order to be in charge of all of his kingdom. This is how this father or this king has separated between the sisters. We will understand later and discuss from our point of view in modern times, and we will make comparison with kings of that time, which is centuries ago as well, how life and moral ethics can change a person and for something you do not have to make effort for. In this play, as all of Shakespeare's plays, and all plays actually, it divides into 5 acts. The act, as we say in Arabic, fasl. The act is divided into 5 scenes, 4 scenes, 7 scenes, then act 5 is the final one. It's divided into 3 scenes. Every scene is important because it holds the idea leading to the plot, leading to the conflict, leading to the climax of the whole story, where characters either kill each other or have fight with each other. Somebody's killed. Usually in Shakespeare's plays, most of the people die, as we have known before and learned. We're going to discuss the main characters. This play is different from Macbeth that we have studied last year because it doesn't have many characters like before. These are contained characters. You have King Lear, of course, the main dominant person. You have Gonriel, she's his first daughter. Gloucester, loyal nobleman. Fool. The fool is very important in Shakespeare's plays. He is not a normal person. He is the king's funny guy. He makes jokes and gestures to make the king happy. This character usually appears in all the medieval plays, because at that time this is a realistic character. It really happened and it really existed. Then we have Regan. who's King Lear's second daughter. We have Edgar, Gloucester's elder son. And we have Kent, who is also a loyal nobleman, honest and upright. We have Cordelia, King Lear's third daughter. And we have Edmund, who is Gloucester's unofficial son. The plot, as we have discussed before, King Lear retires and he wants to spend his final days in peace. So he banished his youngest daughter because she does not fulfill her compassion and love for him. She doesn't show it. So he gives the kingdom to his elder daughters, the elder two daughters. Then he goes to stay with the elder daughters, but they refuse to let him keep his massive entourage of knights. Knight, as we know, are the king's defendants. Entourage here means a numerous number of them. Enraged, King Lear rushes off into a storm. He leaves his daughter's house and he's accompanied by the fool, who is very loyal to the king, and the disguised Earl of Kent, and the madman, poor Tom. We will find out who are these characters later, who is really the eldest son of Earl of Gloucester, but he is in disguise, but was betrayed by his other brother Edmund, who goes mad and almost everyone dies, as usual in Shakespeare's plays. The end. Relation between characters. As we have learned before last year, and we're going to learn this year, the relationship between characters in Shakespeare's plays are usually very complicated. Sometimes we get lost. Sometimes you have to remind yourself and look back at the diagram like this one. So I think this is the easiest way for you guys to understand who is Cordelia, who's Regan, and who's Gonriel. Three daughters of the middle person here, King Lear. Okay? Cordelia is the daughter, Regan daughter, Gonriel daughter. Cordelia married Earl of Kent. He's loyal to King Lear. The fool serves King Lear. Regan, his daughter, she's also married. These are sisters, Cordelia, Regan, and Gonriel. Gonriel and Oswald are connected together. Albany married Gonriel. Okay? We have the main plot here around all these characters. Okay? We will discuss the subplot later because I don't want you to get and you don't get it. These links, please copy and try to find out through them the summarization of the whole play. It's a very interesting short summary. Displays the whole idea with characters and plot and setting and everything you will need to. This quiz will be posted on your class dojo. You will please have to answer and send back to your portfolio, as we usually did last year as well. The questions are easy and it's only multiple choices. This is also great. Answer the quiz after watching and reading the first lesson carefully. The quiz is graded, as I said. Send your answers to your Class Dojo portfolio. This is my email in case you have further inquiries or you have a problem with your Class Dojo or there is any assistance I can help you with. Thank you guys. Good luck.